Hello everyone, Rose here, and today I've got a package from MelodySusie and I will be reviewing it for you. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So let's start. So this is a 2-in-1 nail lamp and nail drill from MelodySusie. So let's open it up. So this is the nail lamp. So this one is the nail lamp. And this is what it looks like at the back. And this one is the adapter charger. And it comes with the user manual. And next is the nail drill. So this is the handpiece. And this one is detachable base to go underneath the nail lamp. And this one is 2 kinds of ceramic nail drill bits. And it also comes with 50 pieces of sanding band. And it also comes with 6 kinds of nail drill bits. And this one is the discount code. I'm gonna make sure to leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. So first, make sure to read the manual before using it. So this is the nail lamp. And then this is what it looks like at the back. So it is 360 all-around LED lights and equipped with 30 pieces dual LED UV beads with 60 watts. And these are the magnets to attach the detachable base. And now I'm gonna show you how to install it. So first, attach the detachable base to the nail lamp. It has magnet that makes it easy to attach and it is also easy to remove. And then next is connect the handpiece to the handpiece jack. So this is the handpiece jack. And next is connect the power adapter with the DC socket. This is the DC socket. And this is the on and off button. And then choose the required time to start working. The default time is 15 seconds. So you can choose from 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, or 90 seconds. It is equipped with a touch control operation panel and it is easy to set up with any operation with just a touch. And it also comes with digital time display. And it also has an intelligent infrared sensor. So you put your hands in, lights on, hands out, lights out. Or you can also press the timer twice and the lights comes on. And now let's try the nail drill. So this is the handpiece control knob. You can control it from forward or reverse. So let's try. So rotate the speed control knob to accelerate or decelerate the rotation speed. So this one, the drill bit is on a forward button. So this is the 20,000 RPM sounds like. And then the 25,000 RPM and the 30,000 RPM. So it is very powerful. Now I'll show you the reverse button. That's the 5,000 RPM, 10,000 RPM, 15,000 RPM, 20,000 RPM, 25,000 RPM, and the 30,000 RPM. And here is how to replace the drill bit. This one is that unlock the drill bit and then put the drill bit that you want and then lock it. That's it. So this contains 6 kinds of interchangeable nail drill bits. And it also comes with 6 coarse grit sanding bands. The sanding bands is for this nail drill bit. So you just put it on and then put it onto the nail drill. Now I'm gonna apply gel polish on my nail and then I'm going to try the MelodySusie nail lamp, see how it works. So for me, it is really a good combination, especially when you have a client. While drying the other hand, you can also work at the other hand at the same time, so it is very convenient. So I set the timer as 60 seconds and now I'm gonna put my hands in. As you see, the lights goes on and the timer starts. MelodySusie 2-in-1 nail lamp and nail drill is equipped with 30 pieces dual LED UV beads with 60 watts high power, and it saves 70% curing time with low heat, no harm, and it is comfortable to use. So let's see. So yep, it is dry and now I'm gonna apply top coat. And it dries your gel fast and efficiently. And then cure it for 60 seconds. Hands in, lights on, and then the timer starts. This nail lamp is equipped with a 0 to 30,000 RPM powerful nail drill which can be removed easily. You can choose to use the nail lamp separately or use it together with the nail drill. So this is so nice, it really cures the gel polish nicely. And now I'm gonna try to remove it using the nail drill. So first I'm gonna replace the nail drill bit. So this is the one I'm gonna use. This electric nail file works great for nail polishing, filing, and removing. It is also suitable for acrylic nails, gel nails, deep powder, cuticle calluses, and natural nail and toenails. This nail drill is made of aluminum alloy which contributes to heat dissipation, and it can be used for a long time working or used without worrying about overheating. This file is built of powerful yet quiet motor with smart heat dissipation to keep the nail Dremel in low heat and low noise and low vibration while using it. And this is the result. So I was a little bit worried about the handpiece because I thought I would have a hard time using it. It will be heavy, but it is not heavy at all, and it has low vibration and it is lightweight. It is easy to use. And now I'm gonna try the ceramic nail drill bits. So I have a swatch stick here with the deep powder. So I will try to use the ceramic to remove the deep powder on the swatch stick. So let's start. And this is what it looks like. And now I'm gonna try the other ceramic nail drill bit. And it's done. And now I'm gonna try the Coarse Grit sanding bands. Coarse Grit sanding bands is for removing the gel overlays or shorten the acrylic nail or artificial nails easily when doing your nail artwork, but it is not for natural nails. And now I'm gonna try the fine grit sanding band. So again, I'm gonna leave the link below on my description box so you guys can check it out. So I want to say thank you MelodySusie for letting me experience your new product. So overall guys, I love the product. It is unique design, combines nail drill and nail lamp together, and it is easy to operate and it is very convenient. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.